Make the most of your next vacation by booking a luxury hotel with the ultimate once-in-a-lifetime experience. We are talking about nothing less than an in-house yacht. Why just gaze out at the ocean when you can be whisked away for an immersive, open-water experience? Ranging from Thailand to Turks and Caicos, Marbella to the Maldives, these opulent hotels offer private yacht charters for hourly, daily, and multi-day itineraries, with excursion options that only add to the dreamy experience. Here is our list of the best luxury hotels with their own in-house yachts. 7 Pines Resort, Ibiza. Ibiza is best known for its parties, but it can also be a great place to relax, as 7 Pines Resort proves, where nature and luxury define your stay. This cliffside property overlooking the Mediterranean Sea offers guests sweeping views as well as the chance to be among the vista in one of its Pershing yachts. The Ferretti Group and Fulvio de Simone collaborated on the Pershing 5X and Pershing 9X, which combine futuristic elements to ensure aerodynamic, incredibly smooth sailing. InterContinental Hayman Island, Australia. A trip to the Whitsundays puts you right in the middle of the Great Barrier Reef, a 1,400-mile-long natural wonder. As a result, a yachting adventure is not only recommended, but also required. InterContinental Hayman Island, the Whitsundays' northernmost inhabited island, offers a variety of private vessels ranging in size from 50 to 100 feet. Excursions to the region's most popular attractions, such as diving the Great Barrier Reef, a leisure day anchored along the powdery white sands of Whitehaven Beach, or a sunset cruise with champagne and hors d'oeuvres, are offered by yachts such as the Ocean Affinity. The Ritz-Carlton, Turks and Caicos. There's something indescribable about the luxury of a hotel brunch. The Ritz-Carlton, Turks and Caicos, enhances that feeling by offering Sunday brunch cruises aboard Lady Grace, its sailing catamaran. The 64-foot catamaran is named after the hotel's location along Grace Bay, which is known for its shallow, warm, aquamarine waters. It glides through the waters gently enough not to disturb your eggs Benedict. Lady Grace can also arrange custom tours and activities such as reef snorkeling, sunset cruises, gourmet picnics, and visits to deserted beaches. Anantara Layan Phuket Resort, Thailand. With its 36-foot Sunseeker 90 yacht, Major Affair, the Anantara Layan Phuket Resort provides access to the dozens of islands found in the Andaman Sea. Major Affair offers a variety of unique packages, from a day anchored at Phi Phi Island to snorkeling around the Similan Islands, to a visit to Phang Ngo Bay, where the 1974 James Bond film The Man with the Golden Gun was filmed. Or you can simply enjoy a day lounging on the sun deck as you putt through a landscape punctuated by mountainous limestone karst. Marbella Club Hotel, Golf Resort and Spa, Spain. Marbella Club Hotel, Golf Resort and Spa on Spain's Costa del Sol offers guests the opportunity to charter not one, but 2 sailing yachts. The La Cruz and Revolution are a hybrid of luxury and sport, with modern amenities such as a large outdoor shower, guest cabins, and a large solarium. On board, there are also paddle boards and surfboards, as well as other water sports accessories for exploring the Mediterranean. The wind propels both luxury vessels on a daily basis, allowing for a peaceful sail against the backdrop of the Sierra Blanca Mountains, Gibraltar Rock, and even the African coastline on the horizon. Waldorf Astoria Maldives, Ithaafushi. Overwater villas are a well-known stationary way to experience the Maldives' diverse marine life, but the Waldorf Astoria Maldives Ithaafushi offers a more immersive experience with its 56-foot yacht. Day charters include cruising to private beaches for a day of relaxation, coral conservation activities, diving with manta rays, and private sunset charters where guests can sip champagne while the fiery sun melts into the atolls. Pangkor Laut Resort, Malaysia. On this privately owned Malaysian island, Pangkor Laut Resort offers unrivaled views and access to the Malacca Straits. Its in-house yacht, YTL Lady 2, can be chartered for custom itineraries all year, but perhaps its most famous offering is the Straits to Luxury Experience, a 5-day and 4-night charter that takes guests from the Pangkor Laut property to Phuket. The 85-foot boat is only available from December to May and is staffed with a private hostess and a chef. D Hotel Meris, Turkey. The Datça Peninsula is easily identified as the point at which the Aegean Sea meets the Mediterranean. D Hotel Meris honors this by providing guests with 3 yachts to charter in order to fully experience the aquatic destination. The 53-foot Alia open sea motor yacht, as well as the 55-foot Azimuth, are ideal for day trips, while the 100-foot wooden sailing yacht, Ubi Beam, is ideal for a relaxing sail to places like the Blue Lagoon and the sunken city of Kekava. Kayak tours, wakeboarding, and diving are also available, so creating a customized open water itinerary is encouraged. Rosewood Baha, Bahamas. Located on the fine sand beaches of New Providence Island in the Bahamas, Baha consists of 3 hotels: SLS Baha, Rosewood Baha, and Grand Hyatt Baha. With over 2,300 rooms, a plethora of restaurants, bars, and lounges, as well as pools and beachfront, there's plenty to do on land, but the at-sea experiences are unrivaled. Guests at any of the properties can choose from 2 luxury yachts available for private charter, the 213-foot super yacht Eternity I, which is ideal for larger groups and longer excursions, including multi-day trips around the islands. The 65-foot Eternity II typically runs leisure day trips that include diving, fishing, and cruising around the Bahamian waters. Canaves Oia, Santorini. Canaves Oia is a family-owned brand with 5 hotels in Oia, Santorini, offering something for everyone, including yachting getaways. The brand's yacht fleet includes 3 luxury vessels that are only available to guests staying at any of its Santorini properties, from its newest property, Canaves Oia Epitome, to its founding hotel, Canaves Oia Boutique Hotel. Tours to the Santorini volcano, snorkeling at the Red Beach, or wading in the azure waters of the White Beach are among the various journeys available, as is planning for experiences on board, such as romantic proposals surrounded by the Aegean Sea and private parties. After deciding on an activity, the guest only needs to make a choice between the different yachts, the 73-foot Alexandros, the 55-foot My Way, or the 43-foot Pardo. We hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please press the like button. Share your thoughts in the comments, and let us know which of the destinations you are going to add to your bucket list. To watch more content like this, subscribe to Travelspot and press the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.